Hey guys, so today we're going to look at how to make money with Clickbank step by step. But first, let's roll the intro. So there's 5 parts to this video. It's very simple. First of all, you're going to need a website. So you're going to need to get some hosting. 2, we're going to need email set up. With one preferably that's got a landing page set up in it. 3, we're going to need Clickbank. If you haven't already signed up, you're going to need to do that. 4, we're going to need to use paid ads, solo ads, so that's going to be on Udemy. And 5, we are going to need to set up a email correspondence. So if you can read that. So it's very simple. We are going to leave a link in the description for your website. So I like to use TSO hosts because they're easy to use, set up, and what we're going to do essentially create that landing page, which is going to be here. Now you've got a email account such as GetResponse. Again, I'll leave a link there if you haven't already signed up, and they're free. Well, they're £11 package. Gives you this landing page, so we can quite easily use that to create a land for the paid customers that we're going to get using Udemy. Now what this does is then we're going to get, for every 100 viewers that see our landing page, we're probably going to get 35 to 40% are actually going to sign up to our email list, and if you're lucky you might even get some sales. So then what happens is we use these links created through this to then use this to promote our product, which is the obvious. So like I said, you're going to need a website, you're going to need a landing page, we need Clickbank, we need Udemy, and we need email correspondence. And very quickly going to jump on the computer and I'm going to show you all these very quickly. Alright, I'll see you over there. So now we're on the computer and we can see we've started off with TSO host. So it's very quick just to sign up, get yourself a domain and then get some hosting. Let's just pick out a random name, www.football3256 whatever.com, and then press enter. Comes onto here. Okay, brilliant. Add to basket. Go to view your basket, and that's essentially it. But you also need to get some hosting, so just go to web hosting. You only need cPanel hosting. Get that, add to the basket, let that load, and just pay for 1 month. It's costing you £3.80, and you've set up continue. Okay, so for 1 month it's costing you £16.57 to initially set up, and then your month is going to be £3.80. I mean, that's just very simple. I love using these guys, and you can always add more domains on and the cost is going to stay the same. So that is a fantastic and cheap way to use. There's other sites, obviously GoDaddy, Bluehost, HostGator, etc, etc, but this I found is very cheap, very quick, and they do what you're wanting to do. The next that we're looking at is your email. So let's click over here, and I've signed up to GetResponse, so I use these guys. Very quick, very easy to use. It's £11 for a starter pack, And like I said earlier, we're wanting to create a landing page. Go over to here, click landing page, and then depending on what we're wanting to use or promote, shall I say, we choose a relevant template, or we can make a template. So like here, show template. So let's just click this one here. You come onto here, let's just click next step and just let this load. So what happens here is we essentially, the person comes onto your site, they've clicked your link, they come to your landing page, and then essentially they fill in their name and their email, blah blah blah, and then you get their email in your email list, and you can then send emails to them. It's as simple as that. Obviously, Clickbank, very quick and easy to sign up to. Now, you don't have to just use Clickbank. You can use other sites, but I like using Clickbank. The next part of the training is Udemy. So with Udemy, you sign up and you simply look through the people that are going to get you your traffic. So you pay per cent. So for 100 viewers to your site, which is paid traffic, you can quite simply, well, this guy's going to cost you, it's going to cost you $53 to get 100 visitors to your site. So you need to make sure that your product that you're selling is easily going to cover that $53, even if you just make one sale. Let's go again and just find sellers. Back onto here, as we can see, it's going to cost you 85 cents. But the more, from what I found, more cost doesn't necessarily mean better. You're still going to get the people looking at your site, top quality traffic with buyers. This guy's 59 cents, so his minimum is 100. It's going to cost you $62. Total includes $3 base filter price. Again, very simple. Add to cart. Okay, I want this guy. You choose where you want to send it to. Simple. And that's it. So, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you're notified when I release new videos. And I'll see you all shortly. Bye.